So what is autism spectrum disorder? Well, individuals diagnosed with autism typically display behavior challenges, communication deficits, and social delays. When people refer to autism these days, they're usually talking about autism spectrum disorders, which are brain disorders characterized by social communication challenges and restrictive repetitive behaviors, activities, and interests. The Centers for Disease Control describe ASDs as developmental disabilities that can cause significant social, communication, and behavioral challenges. Some people with ASD need a lot of help in their daily lives. Others need quite a bit less. But one thing to note is the increase in the diagnosis. In 2016, the Centers for Disease Control's Autism and Developmental Disabilities Monitoring reported that approximately 1 in 68 children in the United States has been identified with an autism spectrum disorder. But there have been great treatment advances. The most effective treatment available today is applied behavior analysis, or ABA. Let's take a look at a short video posted on YouTube that goes in a little bit more detail about autism spectrum disorders.
The buzz about autism is everywhere these days, with the current numbers released by the CDC in 2009 estimating that 1 in every 110 children and 1 in every 70 boys is affected by autism spectrum disorders, ASD. It is more common than diabetes, cancer, or Down syndrome. With numbers this high, it is apparent that autism touches everyone in some way. Based on statistics from the U.S. Department of Education and other government agencies, autism is growing at a startling rate of 10 to 17% per year. At this rate, the Autism Society estimates that the prevalence of autism could reach 4 million Americans in the next decade. Autism knows no racial, ethnic, or social boundaries, family income levels, lifestyle choices, or educational levels, and can affect any family and any child. Some families experience autism firsthand. Others experience it secondhand, such as within their communities or social circles. After we examine all of the impacts of ASD, including social, economical, and educational, it is obvious that we are all affected directly or indirectly by this disorder.